Alexa is far more than a music player and a question answerer. For smart home automation, it has features that most users have never discovered. Here are 5 Alexa capabilities that transform how your home runs. Number 1, create routines. An Alexa routine triggers multiple smart home actions with a single phrase, at a scheduled time or when a sensor fires. Say, "Alexa, good night," and your routine can turn off every light, lock the front door, set the thermostat, and arm the motion sensors all at once. Create routines for your morning, your commute, your bedtime, and your arrival home. Each one saves you multiple steps every time it runs. Number 2, Alexa Guard. When you leave home and say, "Alexa, I'm leaving," Guard activates on all your Echo devices. It listens for smoke alarm sounds and the sound of breaking glass. If it detects either, it sends you an alert immediately. It also makes your lights appear occupied by turning them on and off in natural patterns. Guard is free, requires no extra hardware, and adds a genuine layer of home security. Number 3, Whisper Mode. When you whisper to Alexa, it responds in a whisper. Enable it in the Alexa app under Voice Responses and Whisper Mode. Perfect for late-night requests in a bedroom without waking a partner or in a nursery without waking a baby. A small feature with a real daily impact in households where people sleep at different times. Number 4, Hunches. Hunches is Alexa's proactive suggestion system. It learns your patterns. If you always turn off a certain light at 11 p.m., Alexa will ask, "Did you want me to turn off the living room light?" before you remember to do it. Over time, Hunches become eerily accurate predictions of what you're about to do. You can accept them with yes or configure them to run automatically. Number 5, Announce to all Echoes. Alexa, announce, followed by any message broadcasts it to every Echo in your home simultaneously. Dinner is ready. 5 minutes to leave. Someone is at the door. The speaker mimics your voice, and the message plays in every room. It works across floors and is completely free. The best whole home intercom system available without buying dedicated intercom hardware. Set up one routine today. The Good Night routine is the most impactful starting point. Everything else builds naturally from your first working routine. Follow for more Alexa smart home tips every day.